Columbus Coffee are among New Zealand's favourite cafes. New Zealand owned and managed. Earn free coffees and exclusive member offers with Columbus Rewards. Columbus Coffee, how to make cafe-style hotcakes. Learn how to make delicious cafe-style hotcakes. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons caster sugar, pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 60 grams melted butter. Directions: Step 1. Mix the flour, baking powder, caster sugar and salt in a bowl and create a well. The official Columbus Coffee Facebook page. Like us to hear about special offers, competitions, new seasonal menu items, and more about the local faces and flavors of our wonderful Columbus Coffee stores. Through every element of the Columbus Coffee experience, we want our customers to discover the pleasures of our own fresh specialty coffee, freshly prepared delicious and wholesome food, new interesting tastes, and the friendly faces and places that make up the Columbus Coffee community. Founded 1995, first store opened on High Street, Auckland. NZ Cafe of the Year Upper North Island Finalist 2014. Freshly roasted premium coffee and wholesome breakfasts, lunches, treats and catering freshly prepared by our cafe chef using seasonal and local produce. Cafe, coffee, breakfast, and lunch, take away or have here, order online, and yes, we deliver. Text us your order and don't forget our great prepaid card deals last and first Thursday of every month. Columbus Coffee Smells Farm was opened in December 2007 by Dakapuna locals Jason and Adriana Haid, 20-plus-year veterans of the restaurant business in the New Zealand. In June 2007, Jason, recently having completed the sale of another business then looking for a new opportunity, stumbled upon the Smells Farm development, and as they say, the rest is history. We are passionate about great coffee, food and everything cafe. We are committed to using local suppliers and supporting our local community. Good food, great company, that's what we are all about. We support and sponsor many local community groups and organizations as well as our national program with Cure Kids. We are grateful to the community that supports us and
Your local Columbus is so much more than a place to grab a coffee. It's where we relax, enjoy time out, connect with ideas, somewhere to laugh and share, or pop in for a quick fix. Made with beans roasted just the way they should be, and where our chefs bake and create wholesome, fresh food in an atmosphere like a second home. Locally owned and part of your community. Columbus Coffee. Welcome to your local favourite.